Did you delete it from his laptop?
No, I did not.
Okay, were they text messages from who?
There's Taylor, Christy, Jasmine, Erica.
Ba, ang dami ah.
Are you Claire?
I don't know. Like,
I mean, that's mysterious for her to make that up and all of a sudden do that. But regardless of the point, you were jealous, and what did you do?
Immediately, I started packing my stuff. I cried. I contemplating, wrecking, just tearing up the whole place.
Tinola tayo.
When you go to your partner's job with a receptionist just because they call him Boo.
Hands-free cozy fit Skechers slip-ins. Just step in and go with no bending down or touching. Give everybody hands-free cozy fit Skechers slip-ins for Christmas.
You're watching Justice for All with Judge Christina Perez.
This right here is confidence in a bottle.
Not only does it change you on the outside, but something on the inside, knowing that you're looking better.
Makes me feel so much more confident than I've ever felt in my life. They are some of the hottest videos on social media. Those videos claiming to instantly get rid of bags under your eyes. Well, today we're going to see one for ourselves and let you be the judge. It's called Plexiderm, and lifestyle expert Annette Figueroa is here to tell us why she says this one is for real. This one is for real, and I'm so excited. We even have a video, and you'll notice the model has bags underneath his eyes and it's sagging, and all he uses is a small amount on a clean, dry face, and that's how easy it is. All right, what's the active ingredient? Okay, so it's silicates that are minerals found in shale rock, and what it does is it tightens and lifts the appearance of bags underneath your eyes, and as little as 10 minutes, no prescriptions, and just very little effort. Even watching the video, this is a real, it's a model, but it's a real guy with real bags underneath his eyes. My real true opinion is holy words I can't say on camera. This is absolutely unbelievable. I mean, I can feel it just lifting my skin. It's amazing. It feels good. Feels great. Looks even better. And I did this to my father. We were at home, so we applied it to his under eye bags, and let me tell you, we were so excited. In under 10 minutes, they visibly disappear from view, and now it is literally part of both of our daily routines. He calls me every single month saying, "Hey, Annette, I'm out of Plexiderm, please send me more." And not only does it work on the bags, it works on the appearance of crow's feet, fine lines, and wrinkles. The way you want to do it is you want to have a clean, dry face. Use a small amount because it's so powerful. If you have high school reunions, you have events you want to go to, you want to look your younger, this is it.
At our $14.95 price, it's the best way to try Plexiderm and see it work for yourself after your first application. Call the number on your screen. Call 800-817-5540. You're watching Justice for All with Judge Christina Perez. We're back with the case of Vondell Ralph, who is suing Tracy Alcott for lost wages.
Why not walk out and just end it?
Like, because he made me, he painted pictures telling everyone I'm crazy, I'm delusional.
Well,
And it's got a whole rush of emotions. So
I get it. Women let their emotions get a hold of them. I understand that. Some men do as well. But who fights when you go to your partner's job with a receptionist just because they call him Boo?
Ah,
I mean, who writes an email that says, "Good morning. I'll be short and straight to the point. I have a few issues with the deplorable work conditions we work under. First off, I blame your fat single supervisor for never upgrading our computers. And we have to inhale daily the horrible smell that comes from our supervisor's office. I only work at this job because I need a paycheck. I continuously look for a better job while working at this job." That's crazy. That is absolutely egregious behavior for anybody to do. Period. You actually knowingly went on his computer, got into his laptop, opened it up, knew there was no password, got to his email work versus his personal work. You specifically opened a brand new email, drafted it to his boss, pretended to be him, drafted an email full of lies that you knew would harm him, and they actually harmed him because he lost his job and got fired on the spot.
Coming up.
Your Honor, he had already had many disciplinary write-ups.
I really don't care, Ms. Alcott. That's completely irrelevant.
Closed captioning captioning provided by
Random causing microbes are on everyone's scalp. Hey, where do you think you're going? You can't store every wash. An active ingredient keeps them at bay. It's go time. This is it, microbes. There's nowhere left for you to go. Set down the drain.
Tackle dandruff every wash. You're watching Justice for All with Judge Christina Perez.
Your neck is one of the first areas to show signs of aging, but now there's an easy way to turn back the clock. Introducing Decladerm, a clinically studied cream designed to smooth and firm the skin on your neck and décolleté area.
I have these lines, these folds in my neck. And now since I've used Decladerm, I realized that it really smoothed out the skin.
Decladerm combines the power of retinol with the natural benefits of bakuchiol, a clinically studied duo that visibly resurfaces your skin. In as little as 2 weeks, you'll feel your neck become smoother. In 4 weeks, you'll start seeing a new, revitalized you. And after 12 weeks, you'll understand why so many people love their Decladerm results.
In 30 days, I saw visible results. I saw the skin texture change. I saw a lot of the sagginess start to tighten. It's a game changer.
Try Decladerm for only $19.95 plus free shipping. Call the number on your screen. 800-619-615.
Hi, Grandma. I played baseball today.
Oh, that's great.
What position did you play?
First base. That's what my grandpa used to play. When our hearing wouldn't allow us to use a regular phone, it made us feel isolated.
It became difficult to communicate with our friends and family.
Clear Captions was an easy solution for us.
Clear Captions provides captions on a phone like captioning on your TV, so you can see what the caller is saying live as they say it.
Making it easy to understand and respond immediately.
There is no insurance or Medicare required. Clear Captions service is provided at no cost to you through a federally funded program. We deliver, install, and train you on how to use your phone, all at no cost to you.
Give your loved ones the independence and connection they deserve.
Call now to see if you qualify to get a Clear Captions phone at no cost to you.
Call 1-800-610-7941. That's 1-800-610-7941.
We are Southern California.
We are Inglewood.
We are Westminster. We are Expedition Park.
We are West Hollywood.
We are PSLA. We are yours.
Whether because of discomfort, lack of mobility, your lifestyle, or occupation, you sit inactively way too many hours a day. That sedentary inactivity is terrible for your health. It's time to add some extra steps to your day. Introducing Ellipse, the premium quality automatic seated exerciser that strengthens legs, increases mobility, and boosts circulation without physical strain or impact. It's the easiest exercise you will ever do.
Ellipse fits perfectly under my desk, and it is so quiet that none of my coworkers even know I'm using it.
Strengthen and tone your legs. Increase your mobility, flexibility, and balance. Plus, stimulate healthy circulation.
My joints feel better, my knees feel better, my back feels better. It makes me feel stronger too.
Power-assisted exercise that frees your mind to enjoy your favorite seated activities. Perfect for home therapy. Whisper quiet to use while you work.
My circulation is moving, I'm burning calories, it makes me feel energetic.
Plug it in, place your feet, select your speed, and relax. Ellipse does all the work. Loosen stiff joints and tight muscles. Reduce swelling, alleviate cramps, and calm restless legs.
Ellipse is so smooth, so easy on my joints. My legs are stronger, my joints are no longer stiff. I can walk without pain. My mobility is as good as it was 20 years ago.
Other seated exercises produce harsh, jarring movement, but Ellipse's 46% larger rotational diameter provides more exercise plus ultra smooth motion that's safe, super low impact, and feels great. Call now and order Ellipse, a seated exerciser that strengthens legs, increases mobility, and boosts circulation. Be one of the first 300 callers and get upgraded to the Ellipse Deluxe Bundle, a $100 value. Yours free. Get the faster motor that produces more than 5 miles worth of steps per hour, a non-slip mat, and wireless remote. Call now. You're watching Justice for All with Judge Christina Perez. We're back with the case of Fondell Ralph, who is is suing Tracy Alcott for lost wages.
You drafted the email knowing this is exactly what would happen, just because you were so jealous and hurt. And he lost his job. Under California, that could be considered an actual misdemeanor and a crime.
May I speak here?
No, you may not. He could not find a job for how many months?
He was already about to get fired, and I didn't lie.
Excuses. You were the impetus for him being fired, and he got fired. Why are you suing him for $5,440?
Lots of wages. That was a whole month.
For a whole month. Do you have evidence of your paychecks? I don't want to see any
Yes,
of
I
it.
do. I have a pay slip, Your Honor. It's all stems because I didn't want to move in with her. She asked me to get her apartment together, and I said no. Once that happened, I'll be downhill.
So this was 1 month of pay.
1 month of pay. I already have a new job, a new different company, etc.
Wow.
Your Honor, he had already had many disciplinary write-ups.
I really don't care, Miss Alcott. That is completely irrelevant. He got fired specifically because he sent that email. He told you, we received this email and you got fired. He had no idea what email he was referring to. I mean, I don't understand why people are so blinded by jealousy and do the stupidest things. Why?
It was
Why
about
did
being
you do
jealous.
that?
I let my emotions get up.
That's not an excuse. You can't let your emotions get the best of you always. Don't you consider yourself better or worthy that the best thing for you to do was just to walk out versus make a fool out of yourself and be petty and send an email full of lies that specific? I mean, you're lucky that people call the police.
Judge Perez's verdict, when justice for all returns. Promotional consideration provided by
I'm not letting relapsing MS get in my way. I'm going places. And an infusion center isn't one of them.
G-Septa is the only B-cell treatment you can take at home or take with you. It's proven effective to reduce relapses and slow disability progression because he never slows down.
Powerful results and once monthly dosing.
Don't take if you've had an allergic or life-threatening reaction to G-Septa or have hepatitis B. You'll be tested for Hep B before treatment as it could return. Serious side effects including infections and PML, a rare brain infection, can occur and may be fatal or cause severe disability. Tell your doctor about your medical history, including liver problems, plans for vaccines, and pregnancy. It's not known if it will harm your unborn baby. You'll be monitored for a decrease in certain antibodies and liver function as they may cause liver damage. Most common side effects are upper respiratory infection, headache, and injection reactions, including swelling, itching, pain, skin redness, fever, headache, muscle pain, chills, and tiredness.
Ask your doctor about starting with Kesimpta for RMS.
You're watching Justice for All with Judge Christina Perez.
I've had enough. I don't want to hear anything else. You're still wound up in what you're seeing. You're not understanding what this court is trying to tell you. You actually did something against the law. And because you did something against the law, which was impersonating him and sending an email to his boss, pretending to be him, knowing it was not true, knowing it would hurt him, guess what? Under the law, that's actionable. He lost $5,440 in 1 month pay. And it took him a month to find a job. Guess what? Under the law, because of what you did, that's actionable, and he gets $5,440. So based on the evidence, I will grant the plaintiff's claim for $5,440. Whether you cheated or not on her, you should know also better. Well, I don't know, because she's telling something and everything's unclear. But that to me is beside the point.
It's not the
Do
truth.
not date people, and the same for you, that don't make you feel like you're worth it. Period.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hard lesson for you, Miss Alcott. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All rise.
Judge Perez has ruled in favor of the plaintiff. The defendant has been ordered to pay $5,440.
Harold.
Hey, make sure y'all unlock your phone, unlock your computers, lock your door, lock everything. There's people out there that want to go through it.
Obviously, he's telling you guys to lock your stuff so he can cheat your life.
Ayos. Ah. Woo. Sarap. Ah. Yan. Ah. Woo. Ah. Dito.
This has been a production of
Ay, nako.
Count on the kickoff.
Gutom.
Your home for gridiron coverage every week.
For me, it's about the law and people. I just need facts, okay? Just facts. And how people can resolve their problems and just be better for it.
Justice with Passion.
I always knew I was going to go into law because I tried to see everybody's point of view in an argument. And I encourage
Ayos.
people to talk to each other to try to resolve their
Said.
Justice with Truth.
No.
Waste your time and do not waste mine.
This
Woo.
is Justice for All with Judge Christina Perez.
Ugimas.
Nagluto kang sa kalso, ma.
Tinola.